Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we have this product for unboxing, reviewing, and of course the final destination is to benchmark and to see how well it will run this Xiaomi Redmi 6A running MIUI. This is the global version. Let's see some specs. This is a dual SIM, dual standby SIM. We have 5.45 HD display, 18:9 full screen display, 12 nanometer of quad-core processor, 3000 mAh high capacity battery, 13 megapixel rear camera. This is the 2 GB RAM version and the 16 GB ROM. Okay, let's open it. Inside we have some user guide. If you want to read it, your choice. The phone, the micro USB cable for charging your phone with this charging adapter. It is 5 volt 1 amp, and we have the SIM extraction. Well, let's see the phone. We have the power on button, we have the volume up, volume down button. We have the micro USB charging port, a microphone, another microphone here. This is the 3.5 jack for your headphones. We have 2 SIM slots. The first one is with the micro SD, and the second one is an independent SIM slot 2. Okay, we've got a camera in the back and with a flash, and here is the speaker. Very good. We have the front selfie, the headphone, and let's power it on. We got the MIUI logo. And here it is. Let's see the settings. About the phone is running a MIUI 10.3.2 stable. It is an Android 8.1. Here's the settings, very smoothly. We have already some app installed. MIUI video from the phone, of course, calendar, file manager, MIUI drop, FM radio, record, etc, etc. Okay, and let's start the benchmark. And here we are with the results. We have 62,255. The CPU is in 29,850. The GPU is 8,109. The UX is in 18,473, and the MEM is 5,825. Well, that was the results for this Redmi 6A Xiaomi. Now you know what this phone can do. You have made your conclusions. And with that all, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video is your choice, but definitely hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. And share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.